Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to read our next passage, which is about dogs. So, let us start our passage. Like the dolphins, dogs too are very useful animals. Means previous in the previous passage, what we read about dolphins, and today we are going to read about dogs. Now, they have written that they are very useful animals. They help us in many ways. You might have seen them in your homes also. Most of the people keep the dogs as their pets. Okay, so how useful they are for the human beings. So read this short passage on dogs. Now here a short passage means a piece of writing is given here about dogs. So let us read the passage. Dogs are our great friends. So as we all know that they are our great friends, they are our best friends, they are intelligent and faithful. Faithful means who always stay with you and support you. Means such a person or an animal who always stays with someone and always supports someone. So like dogs, in Hindi you can say wafadar. Okay, and they have a strong smelling power, and their sense of smell, okay, it is also more than other animals. Okay, so they are intelligent means they are uh, very wise, means वो बुद्धिमान होते हैं, and फेथफुल वफादार होते हैं, एंड दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेलिंग पावर, और उनकी सूंघने की शक्ति जो होती है, स्मेलिंग पावर मीन्स टू स्मेल समथिंग। ओके, और उनकी जो सूंघने की शक्ति है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है। So they have been doing various kinds of useful work for us. And that's why due to these qualities, which qualities? In their intelligence, their faithfulness, and their strong smelling power, they here stands for dogs. Dogs have been doing various means different kinds of useful work for us. So due to these qualities, their intelligence, their faithfulness, and their strong smelling power, the dogs are doing so many different kinds of work for human beings. Dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing. Now see here, grazing. Grazing means when animals eat grass, okay, in an open field. Okay, so that is grazing, means charna. So dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing. You might have seen the sheep, flock of sheep with shepherds. Okay, so with them they have their dogs also. Why they are keeping those dogs with them? To take care of their sheep. Okay, so dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing. Means के dogs जो हैं वो दूसरे जानवरों की, जब दूसरे जानवर जो है वो घास चरने जाते हैं, ग्रेजिंग के लिए जाते हैं, ग्रास ईटिंग के लिए जाते हैं, तो डॉग्स उनका ध्यान रखते हैं। टेक केयर मीन्स ध्यान रखना। दे हेल्प द पुलिस टू कैच थीव्स. सो दे आल्सो, थीव्स मीन्स who steals something. Okay, so they help police to catch thieves. It's a plural of thief, ves, by adding ves. So they help police to catch thieves also, means वो पुलिस की भी हेल्प करते हैं चोरों को पकड़ने में. They guide the people who cannot see clearly. Now they also serve as a guide. Okay, so they also serve as a guide for those people who cannot see, like blind people. So they save people caught in mountain storms. Whenever the storms they came in the mountains and people got trapped in those storms, so the dogs also save such people who get caught in those storms, who got caught in those storms. Okay, storms means strong winds, rains, thundering. Okay, जिसको आप तूफान बोलते हो. Small dogs like poodles are very cute. Now there are very small dogs, and like in the picture given here, poodle is given here. They are very cute. You can see how much cute this dog is. So they are very cute. Cute means they are very loving. They perform in circus shows and entertain people. There they entertain means to interest people or to amuse people, or and why people make someone interest or amused? To make them happy. To entertain means किसी का मनोरंजन करना. In Hindi you can say मनोरंजन करना, and in English you can say to amuse someone, to interest someone, to make that person happy. So small dogs like poodles are very cute. They perform in circus shows and entertain people. So they also give company to those who are lonely. So some people, they are all alone. Lonely means they are all alone at their homes. So what the such people do, they keep dogs as their pets to get a company. सो दे आल्सो गिव कंपनी टू दोज हु आर ओनली. सो इसीलिए वो उन लोगों को भी साथ देते हैं. कंपनी मीन्स साथ देते हैं उनका, किसका, जो कि बिल्कुल अकेले हैं. नो वंडर अ डॉग इज आर मोस्ट फेवरेट पेट. So there is no wonder now. We need not get surprised. Okay, we need not get wondered that a dog is our most favorite pet. We like the dog most. Most of the people like the dogs as their pets. And why people like? Because we read that dogs are very intelligent, they are faithful, and they have a strong smelling power. And due to these qualities, they help people and they do so many useful works for the human beings. So students, this is all about the dogs. Now let us see their assignment is given for you. Let us read about it. There are about 150 kinds of dogs. Now students, do you know that how many types of, there are different types of dogs, and how many kinds are there? 150. So look at the illustrations. Illustrations means drawing. Okay, a drawing, a diagram, or a picture or given on a book or a magazine. Like the pictures of the dogs are given here, different breeds of dogs are given here. So look at the illustrations. Illustrations means these pictures here of some different breeds of dogs. Now here the different breeds means different varieties. तरह तरह के, जिसको बोलते हैं varieties, different breeds of dogs, and how they serve us, and their service to the human beings means what they do for the human beings. वो लोगों के, human beings के लिए, मानव के लिए क्या करते हैं. These services are also written below their diagram. So let us find about it. First one is shepherd. See the spelling, shepherd. Now what is a shepherd? First of all, literally this word shepherd means such a person whose job is to look after sheep. Okay, जिसको आप हिंदी में गडरिया बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So now why this dog is named as a shepherd? Because it takes care of grazing animals like sheep when they are grazing. So who takes care of them? This dog. So that's why this dog is also named as a shepherd. Okay, next is Doberman. This species of this breed of dog is known as Doberman, and it helps the police to catch the thieves. Because why police takes its helps? Because it has a strong smelling power. Okay, it smells the thieves. So this is a dog who serves police. So next is Alsatian. Next dog is Alsatian. See, both Alsatian and Shepherd, they look quite alike to each other. So then why they are named differently? They are named differently because Shepherd has got its name from, its full name is German Shepherd. It got its name from Germany. Okay, and this dog, it lives somewhere else. That's why it is named as Alsatian. Alsatian at some other place in Germany. So it guides who cannot see. Now it guides such people who cannot see, means who are blind. So who helps the blind people? Alsatian dog. Next one is Saint Bernard. Saint Bernard. See this dog? It saves people caught in storms. When people get caught in storms, like we read in the passage, in mountain storms, so who helps them? Saint Bernard. Next dog is Poodle. See, it's very cute in looking. So it performs in circus shows. Next one is Pomeranian. So it gives good company. And to whom it gives good company? To the people who are living alone. And see, it is also very cute like Poodle. So now students, there is an assignment for you. What you have to do? Add information of at least 2 more breeds of dogs with their pictures. Now here the space is given in your book. So what you have to do? You have to find out 2 more breeds of dogs other than these. ओके, अदर दैन दीज मीन्स आपको ये वाले डॉग्स इन वाले डॉग्स की पिक्स नहीं बनानी है यहाँ पे, या अगर आपके पास कटिंग्स हैं तो वो यहाँ पे पेस्ट नहीं करनी है इन वाले डॉग्स की। आप जैसे यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि वी हैव 150 काइंड्स ऑफ डॉग्स, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सम मोर breeds of dogs, two more. Okay, and either you can make picture by yourself of the dog, try to make it. Okay, and if you can't make, if you have the cuttings of the pictures like this, pictures you have like these are given in your book, so you can paste the pictures or either you can draw the pictures, and you have to write the name of the breed like it is written here, like shepherd below the picture. So you can write whatever breed of a dog you are painting here, you are drawing here. So you need to write its name first of all, and then its function, why it is, how it serves human beings. So this is your homework for today. So that's all about our next species, which is about dogs. So what we learned, students, that dogs are very intelligent, they are very faithful, and they are the best friends, and they are the great friends of human beings. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.